Hello everyone, welcome to another awesome video. It's Come Africa. As you all know, ETH has been rising for the past days now, and you would want to be one of the people holding ETH. So right now I'm going to teach you guys how to get ETH for absolutely free. But before we get to that, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell icon to get notification whenever I upload free videos. Well, I post videos on how to get cryptocurrencies for absolutely free. So with that said, let's get to it. So I'll be leaving the link to this website in the description, so check it out there. When you click on the link, you will get to this page where you are going to be signing up as a new user. So all you have to do is click on sign up. Well, you can go about this website on your mobile device or anywhere you want. Do you understand? So input your username, your email, password, and repeat password, and verify the captcha, and you are good to go. Do you understand? So this is basically what you need to know about signing up, and I will see you in the homepage. So on signing up, you'll be getting to this homepage where you are going to see every as you can see here, games, faucet, surveys, affiliate, payouts, transaction, and these are the games: the faucet, sorry, the dice, slots, mine, roulette, and the video poker. So first of all, you'll be getting a notification like this over here, and this notification means that you should verify your email address. So you click on it and then you go over to verify your email address. So as you can see, I already verified mine. So when you click on it, it will take you to where you're going to verify your email address, and then you click on verify. You'll be getting the email address on your email. So click the link in the email that was sent to you, and then it's automatically verified for you. And then you'll be getting 10 free faucets on verifying the email. As you can see here, your email has been verified. You have received 10 bonus faucets and double your faucet reward on day one. Do you understand? So basically, when you've received this, you can go through here, or then you can click here to see. As you can see the faucets, you can just click there. And as you can see, I still have 3 left, already spawned the rest. So what you need to do is click on the free faucet. As you can see, click free spins. You'll be receiving random ETH. As you can see here, you'll be getting at least 0.000030 ETH. So these are the levels. You can increase your levels if you're interested in that. I'll show you guys how to go about that. But this is basically how to claim your hourly faucet too. You understand? You'll be getting hourly faucets every single hour. Every single hour. So as you can see here, all you need to do for the hourly faucet is verify you are human, and then click on the free spin. That's all. Every hour you can receive ETH every single hour. So when you have enough ETH, as you can see here, you can always go to play the games to increase your amount of ETH. Do you understand? So let's go about the dice. I'll show you guys how to play these games for free, like I said. So you have to reduce your risk, take minimum risk for these games. So I'll just teach you guys. What you need to do is bring it down. These are numbers. You want to be behind it, not ahead of it, because when you play the games, there'll be a wait. Let me play one so you see. So as you can see here, you want to be behind this, not ahead of it, because if it should land behind you, you've lost. You understand? So you want make sure you are behind it here. Do you understand? So we're going to play another one. Let's just try. Leave this lever here. So as you can see, we are behind it, so it's a win. So make sure you are behind it and not ahead of it. That's basically how to play this die. So that's basically for the dice game, and then you can always play others if you feel like you are good at them also, like the mines, slots, and roulette. But let me show you. Let's play one mine so you see how it goes. So you pick the amount of mines you want to have in the game. Say 1. So and then you can create the amount. So there's 1 mine in this, so make sure not to flip it. So you can don't tap away, play the so you don't lose. You understand? And then know when to come out. You understand? Don't let greed evade you. You understand? So you can try your luck and know which one works for you, and that's basically how to play these games. Do you understand? So I'm going to the affiliates or over here. This is where you can refer your family and friends to get commission. Do you understand? So for each person, you'll be getting 50% of the reward each user claims in their faucet. Do you understand? So the more they play games, and then the more they claim the hourly faucet, you'll be earning from it. Do you understand? So don't sleep on this. Refer your family and friends so as to claim more ETH from this platform. And when you've reached the minimum withdrawal, you can always go and withdraw for absolutely free. Do you understand? You basically don't have to deposit on this platform. All you need to do is play your games, claim your hourly faucets, and that's basically it. You can, if you don't want to play games, you can always leave the games out. You can claim your hourly faucets every single hour. So that's basically it about this platform. So about the levels, you can increase your level even without depositing. Do you understand? The more ETH you have claimed from your faucet, the more this, as you can see, this is the meter. You need you need to have wagered either by claiming faucet or by playing games. You need to have wagered 0.0025 ETH for you to get to the next level. Do you understand? So that's basically how it works. You must not deposit. You can always keep on playing, keep on claiming. As long as you are active on this platform, you'll keep on increasing your levels by over time. Do you understand? So don't sleep on this platform. Take this platform as serious as you can take it because ETH is going higher. Do you understand? So until my next video, peace out.